Hey guys, here's the inside of my GameGear. I'm going to be replacing all the capacitors on it to hopefully improve the video quality on my GameGear, because it's really bad. I can barely even see it unless it's pitch black and at a weird angle like this. So got my soldering iron heating up. Already ripped off a capacitor right there, you see. Around there, you see the positive is on the right side, and here's the capacitor I ripped off. There's the replacement capacitor. So I think I have 12 capacitors on here to replace, so not too bad. Most of them look pretty easy to do. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'll try to take a before and after, but I don't know if it'll come out so good because it's kind of hard to get the screen on camera. It's a lot of glare, so well, let's see. I'll let you know what happens. Oh yeah, you see that little dark spot on there? That's a capacitor liquid. So it's leaking the electrolyte, so glad I'm replacing these now. Let me show you a little bit on a Q-tip. Could get some on there. Just a little bit. Not much, but you could see it. See, it's leaking. So yeah, getting ready to replace that capacitor. Already did this one. Well, all done replacing all the capacitors. 3 on that side. 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. This one right here. And 9 on this side. Should kind of reduce some of these. This one's too long. So, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Anyways. So, I'm going to connect it now and see if it works. So, let's see how it looks. Now, I have tried this already. I adjusted it so we actually can see something, sorta, kinda. And yeah, the major difference here is the Virgin little logo that used to bleed extremely heavily. And now this screen's insanely bright too. Before I used to have it all the way up like that. Now you can't even see that so bright. To turn it down to like maybe halfway or a little above. Looking a lot better now. I'm real happy with this. Just put it together and so I could see the rest of it.